The cool thing about home electrification is it actually can be great for both your energy bill, reducing that energy bill, as well as for reducing your carbon footprint.
So for the average homeowner, and I'm one, there are considerations I need to take into account for taking this journey.
That word that you use there, journey, is exactly right. This journey doesn't look the same for any two households in Australia. For one house, you might say that solar has the best return on investment for your home. For another house, it might actually be your hot water system. Maybe you've got a really old gas hot water system that is costing you a lot of money, and replacing that with a new heat pump system can be a great return on investment.
I'm going to need tips and I'm going to need resources.
So there are lots of really great government incentives at the moment. There's a real focus on helping Australian households to electrify from a government level. There are also tools like Electrify Now, which is a free tool that AGL is launching. You can go on, answer just a couple of questions. We can then pull your smart meter energy data, which looks at 30-minute energy intervals in your actual house, so we can give a really personalized recommendation for what this would look like in your home.